Hi students, problem number 4. A train 600 meter long crosses a bridge 2400 meter long in 3 minutes. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. The problem is very simple and direct. Only one point we have to notice is the distance is given in meter, time is given in minutes, speed is asked in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert in a single unit. First, what is the distance travelled? The distance travelled is equal to the length of the train 600 meter plus the length of the bridge. So this is 2400. So this is equal to 3000 meter. And the time taken is given, the time to cross these two is given as what? 3 minutes. So this is 3 minutes. In seconds, if you convert, means it is 3 into 60 seconds. So that this is equal to 180 second. So the speed is, by the formula, what is the speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. So the distance travelled is 3000 meter divided by time taken is how much? 180 second. So 180 second. So 0 and 0 get cancelled, and therefore speed is equal to, now 3 into 100, 3 into 100. So this is divisible by 3 divided by 6 3s are 18. 100 by 6 is also equal to 50 by 3 meters per second. So the speed in meter per second is what? 50 by 3. But what is asked here is in kilometer per hour, is it not? Therefore the speed in kilometer per hour is 50 by 3 into 18 by 5. Now the unit has become kilometer per hour. Okay, so 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 50 by 3 multiplied by 18 by 5. Now you see here, this 5 into 10 is 50. 3 into 6 is 18. So now 10 into 6 is remaining. 10 into 6. So this is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. So the answer should be option D. Therefore option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.